Welcome to my channel. In my channel I produce videos on advancing technologies for better living in India and abroad, scholarships and fellowships from different organizations, universities and governments of different countries, and job vacancies in India and abroad. In the present video, I would like to talk about scholarships in Hungary. BS, that is equal to BTech. BS, MS and PhD program fully funded, and alright guys, we have come up with another exciting scholarship opportunity. Applications are now open to apply for scholarships in Hungary 2021. Central European University offers the scholarships to the international students. Central European University is one of the top ranked universities of Hungary. Central European University is offering bachelor's, master's and PhD degree programs for the international students living all around the world. The host institution will cover all expenses of the students. All candidates, male or female, looking to pursue their higher education from Hungary, that too fully funded, are highly encouraged to apply for these scholarships in Hungary 2021. Multiple programs are offered in this scholarship program. The Central European University is known for providing quality education. The university offers a wide range of academic fields. All the courses will be taught in English language. For further information about scholarships in Hungary 2021, check the provided information below and apply accordingly. Do you know 2000 plus scholarships are currently open in Germany for international students? If you are interested in these scholarships, check details. Scholarships in Hungary 2021 details. Institute Central European University, gender male or female, scholarship type fully funded. Degree offered bachelor's, master's and PhD. Available fields available. Multiple fields in the sense subjects. Application deadline 1st February 2021 and 15th March 2021. Fields and majors offered. Majors in the sense, specializations. Following fields and majors are offered by Central European University. Scholarships 2021. Department of Cognitive Science, Environmental Sciences and Policy, Nationalism Studies, School of Public Policy, Department of International Relations, Department of Economics and Business, Center for Eastern Mediterranean Studies, Department of Legal Studies, Department of Medieval Studies, Department of Philosophy, Political Science, Sociology and Socio-Anthropology, Mathematics, Religious Studies, Network and Data Science, Gender Studies, History. Scholarship coverage. Scholarships in Hungary 2021 will cover the following expenses of the scholars. Check the list below. Full tuition fee, monthly stipend for living expenses, health insurance during the scholarship duration, a stipend of 1000 euros per month for Master's Excellence Scholarship, for Master's Distinction Scholarship, that is a stipend of 750 euros per month, 1350 euros per month for PhD students. There might be a mistake. 1000 for masters, and 750 might be for bachelors. There is a typographical error. Typographical in the sense typing mistake. Eligibility criteria: to apply for scholarships in Hungary 2021, you need to fulfill the following eligibility criteria. Candidates from any country can apply for this scholarship except EU. EU is European Union, and EREE. Applicants must have an excellent academic record. The language requirement is exempted from those candidates who have a previous degree in English language. An English proficiency certificate is acceptable in this program. You can check the detailed eligibility criteria in the official link mentioned. Documents required. To apply for the scholarships in Hungary 2021, you will need the following documents during the application process: an updated CV of the applicant, all educational documents, statement of purpose, letters of recommendation, research proposal, graduate program only, other supporting material. Application deadline, that is 1st February and 15th March. Submit your application before the mentioned due date. Application process: you enter the website and check all the details. I hope this video is very informative, and if it is so, you can like my video and share among your friends. You can subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for getting the latest updates. I am your Professor Kodandaramaya. I am for you, for the betterment of aspiring students for abroad education and advancing technologies. Wish you all the success. May God bless you. Thank you for watching my video.